Today we'll discuss derivative of a function of a function. Derivative of a function of a function. First example, suppose y equal to log of sin x. Find the derivative of the function. Find dy by dx. So y equal to log of sin x. What we are doing? Function of a function. That means first we have to do the derivative of log, then the sine. So differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx equal to d by dx of log of sin x. So the derivative of log x is 1 by x. In the place of x, we have sin x. Then d by dx of sin x. Derivative of sin x is cos x. Cos x by sin x is cot x from trigonometry. So dy by dx equal to cot x. Now one more problem. One more problem. If y equal to tan inverse cos of root x, find dy by dx. What is the value of dy by dx? Here you see function of a function of a function. That means this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. So that means 3 times we have to differentiate. 3 times we have to differentiate. So dy by dx. So dy by dx. Now dy by dx of tan inverse cos of root x. Now I am going for the first function. What is the first function? Derivative of tan inverse x. Derivative of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square. In the place of x square, you have cos of root x. Then d by dx of cos of root x. Now you have to go for the second function. Now 1 by cos square root x as it is. Now derivative of cos x is minus sine of root x. Sine of root x. Then function of f. Now derivative of root x. That's the third time we are doing. So derivative of root x is 1. Derivative of this is root x. This is just root x. Derivative of root x is 1 by 2 root x. 1 by 2x. 2x 1 plus cos square root x. And then minus sine root x. This is the answer. One more problem. We will go for one more problem. You see there are 3 functions. Please, one more time. First, derivative of tan, then derivative of cos, then derivative of root x. Then simplify. So 3 times we are doing 3 function. Function of a 2 function, 2 times 3 function, 3 times. One more example. See, if y equal to cot inverse x cube whole square. Now, what is that? This is power is, let me change the color and write it down. This power is one function, cot is second function, x cube is third function. So that means 3 function are there. 3 times we need to differentiate. So what is our y? Y equal to cot inverse x cube whole square. Now differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx. Now power 2 times cot inverse x cube to the power of 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1. Then d by dx of cot inverse x cube. Now this is 2 cot inverse x cube. 2 minus 1 is 1, so we don't write 1. Now derivative of cot x is minus 1 by x square. What is your x? X is already x cube square. Then d by dx of x cube. dy dx of x cube. dy dx of x cube. So now minus we have taken x cube is 3x square. Derivative of x cube is, now let me write on this one step. minus x cube by 1 plus x to the power of 6. Now derivative of x cube is 3. That is the derivative of x to the power of n is nx to the power of n minus 1. This formula we are using here. So 3 into x to the power of 3 minus 1. Now this 3 will go to here. So my 3 times 2 is 6. X square cot inverse x cube whole divided by 1 plus x to the power of 6. This is dy by dx. See here, function of power, then derivative of cot, then derivative of x. So 3 times we have done differentiation. Function of a function of a function. One more example, please. See one more example. One more example. One more example. If f of x equal to log of secant x plus tan x. Find dy by dx. F dash x. So what is your f of x? F of x equal to log of secant x plus tan x. Now differentiating with respect to x, f of x will become f dash x. Derivative of log x is 1 by x. 1 by x means secant x plus tan x. Then d by dx of secant x plus tan x. So now f dash x, this is secant x plus tan x. Derivative of secant x is secant x tan x. Derivative of tan square x is secant square. What we are doing, I am taking secant x common. So this is tan x plus secant x divided by tan x plus secant x. They get cancelled. F dash x equal to secant x. F dash equal to secant x. So one more problem. See one more problem, please. If y equal to sine inverse of root x, find dy by dx. So what is our y? Y equal to sine inverse root x, function of a function. Differentiating with respect to x. Dy by dx, dy by dx of sine inverse root x. You see sine inverse root x, derivative of sine x, 1 by 1 plus x square. 1 by square root of 1 minus x square. Your x is root x. Into function of a function into derivative of root x. So this is derivative of root x is 1 by 2 root x. This is root of 1 minus x. Or we can write this can be written as 2 root x into root of 1 minus x. Or if you take root inside 1 by this root side, this is 1 into x is root x. Then you see this both has these are the root, this root. So this will go here. It will become x minus this x will go here. This become x square. See here, this is the formula. Root of AB equal to root of AB. Single root. This is the difference. This is your A, this is your B. If you suppose it is. That is dy by dx. That's it, class. This is the function of a function. We have done. We have done 4 problems. The first one, what I have done, y equal to log of sin x, derivative of logs, then derivative of sin, then simplify. Second, y equal to tan inverse cot of root x. Then first this is first derivative. Derivative of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square. Then in the place of x, you have cos root x, dy by dx of cos x. Derivative of cos x is sin x, but again root x you have to do. Then simplify. Next. Problem number 3 we have done y equal to cot inverse x cube whole square. First derivative of cot is minus 1 by 1 plus x square. X square means you are already 3 is there. So x to the power 6. Then derivative of, now first we have done the power. Sorry, the power we have done. Power we have done derivative of cot, then derivative of x cube, then simplification. Next, the fourth problem. If f of x equal to log of secant x plus tan x, here also this is function of a function. So derivative of log is 1 by x. In the 1 by x place, you have secant x plus tan x. Then derivative of secant x. Derivative of secant x is secant x tan x plus derivative of tan x is secant square. So suppose if you take secant common, tan getting cancelled, f dash x. Next, y equal to sine inverse root x. So first derivative of sine inverse x, then derivative of root x is 1 by 2 root x, then simplify. That's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos, for math videos. This is easy method as I am making as simple as possible. Please subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you for watching.